Hello everybody, welcome, this is your latte artist. Today I will be teaching you a basic latte art pattern. Follow me. We start by frothing the milk to perfection. This is our coffee. It will be our papers to draw on. The milk instead will be a pen to draw with. This is how we do it. We start by creating our base. We stop in the center. We draw a white circle. And then we create a heart. Now guys, have fun practicing latte art patterns with this amazing coffee maker. Catch you later!